There's the man talking.
Actually, I was gonna yeah, and he was like, here guys, have these.
Oh, YouTube, this goes by the airsofter. This P90 is absolutely sick and full auto. Absolutely mental. I need to get a heck of a lot more mags, high cap mags.
So good.
Oh, I was got to stand on that tree around there, just shooting something. Hey, chronoed.
Huh?
It's chrono 27 BBs a second.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, it made us stop anyway.
How many rounds it hold?
This is only mid cap.
Mid cap.
About 50 rounds.
Oh dear.
But I need high cappers, plenty of them.
Yeah. Right, how many lives we've got left? Are we still allowed to respawn?
I think didn't you say there's only like 3 here? Like,
You want a P90, don't you?
yeah, which one is that one?
Cybergun P90. Upgraded.
I haven't respawned yet, I'm still sorting my shit out.
Yeah, I know, that's what I've been doing. It's my first death.
Yeah.
But I've only got one mag, so it's...
It's a low cap one, isn't it? The 70 rounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're awful, aren't they?
Right.
But this has got the P90 MOSFET in it.
He must do. On each one?
Yeah, for each phase. I mean, I've died once, so I don't know how many... I've died like 4 times with that one. Oh, there's a dude in blue over there if anyone's actually playing at the moment. There's a dude in blue hiding behind the tree.
Oh, this guy running in?
Yeah, that guy. He's ready. He's not on our side, let's put it that way.
I've had enough of keep refilling this mag all the time. Yeah, because the guy built it, he wants some game day footage of it being used.
Oh, top.
adzzzysarmoury. He did a build video of it and he just wants some game use.
That's how it works, isn't it?
And trust me, I tested it to description. My Mark 18, which is gears, and just went, it don't sound right, see? So I'll be taking it down to him as well.
No.
And my DMR should be semi. I need to go on full auto.
I'm guessing we're alive. There's no problem.
That's it, guys. Magazine's all out. Couple shots on the ground. Back on safety.
Cover shot.